Hi everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you how to change time in Google Maps so you can explore how places looked years ago using Street View. Now let's get started. Step 1, open Google Maps on your phone. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version so you can access all the available features easily. Step 2, search for the town or place you want to view from the past. You can type in the name of a city, street, or landmark that you'd like to explore over time. Step 3, tap on the location name once it appears on the map. This helps Google Maps center on that exact area and prepare it for Street View. Step 4, enter Street View by tapping on the road or the Street View preview. This lets you see the location as if you were standing right there in real life. Step 5, tap See More Dates at the bottom of the screen. This option shows all the different times Google has captured Street View images of that place. Step 6, choose a specific year from the timeline to view how the location looked at that time. You can move through the years to see how buildings, roads, and surroundings have changed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more quick and helpful tech tutorials.